Hi guys, my name is Parag Pal and welcome back lecture number 4 of Civil 3D. In this particular lecture, I am going to draw an alignment with respect to the design standard of Indian country code. Okay, if you download the country code from the Civil 3D website itself, you can get it over here. Otherwise, you can just put on Google as a India country kit. Okay, for Civil 3D, you will get redirected to the Autodesk website only. Okay, and install that one. So you can automatically get one new icon of the Civil 3D India. If you install the another country kit, okay, you will get the logo as a Civil 3D of that country name, right? You need to open that one and then and only then you can see the all design parameters, okay, all the standard of that country. And make sure that you have already logged in your software, right? Now after that, just go to your home for the drawing and alignment. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to zoom this particular area where I have to draw the alignment. Okay, so after that alignment you can draw from here. What I can do, go to the alignment creation tool. Okay, what I have already, okay, let's just do once again align. Okay, so here I can select site 1, design criteria, select the Indian Road Congress. Okay, as SP. Okay, just okay, then select over here tangent with curves. I'll start from here. Okay, I'll make it more smoother because I want smooth curve. Then what I can do is, okay, escape. Then again I'll start my another curve from here. Okay, okay, like this, because I'm going to teach you how to add more curve over here. So I'll be adding one more curve here which will help you to understand the behavior of the function. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, like this I'll be adding, right, with here straight away, like this, right? Now you can see that I have drawn one alignment, but here one sudden stuck over here. But before that, we have selected our region properly. Now you might be asking about me how you can select this one. So before drawing this alignment, you should make sure that you have done one survey and you have selected this point to draw an alignment. Okay, now after that, go to the geolocation and you can off this map portion so you can get this particular alignment properly. Now I'm going to save this file, and in next video I'll be providing you how to just add the curve over here. Okay.